Good evening, guys. I hope I'm audible for you all. So, guys, am I audible? Yes, please respond. Okay. So, guys, welcome to the channel. So, today the session is about coding again. So, today we'll learn all about Python. So, we'll wait for 3 more minutes. So, we'll start at 6:05 so that other people can join the session. Yeah, we'll wait for 2 or 3 more minutes, guys. So I hope the screen is visible for you all. So kindly answer. So is the screen visible for you all? Okay. Thank you, Ashwin. Oh, you changed your name. Good. Okay, then we'll start the session. So there are some questions which we have done in last class. We'll skip. So yeah. So the first question is. So just read the question with me, guys. So Alice and her friends are playing a game of verbal Coco. Okay, of verbal Coco. So Alice is acting as a mediator, and the rest of the young friends are seated on N chairs. Okay, we don't know how many friends are there and how many chairs are there. So we are naming it as N. So N friends are seated on N number of chairs, one each. So in one chair, one friend have seated. So Alice starts by providing a paper with a single digit number to the friend present at the number one. So what Alice will do means Alice starts providing a paper with a single digit number to the friend with, who is present at number one. So let's denote friends by F, where F will be of size n. So which is F1 to Fn. Okay, which represents a friend seated respectively. So after receiving the paper with the digit, which is F1, will enact and try to tell F2. Okay, so the first person who will receive the paper with a digit, so that friend will try to enact and whatever the thing in the paper he or she will try to enact it and try to tell to the friend too without speaking. Okay, you guys know verbal Coco means by body language or by action. So without speaking. Similarly, F2 will communicate to the person, that is F3. So this continues until the last person. We don't know how many members are there or how many friends are there, but it will continues to the last person who understand the digit. Okay. So finally, the last person will write the digit on a separate paper and give it to the Alice to compare both papers. Okay, so if the digits are similar, then Alice will give a T-shirt to each friend. However, if the digit do not match, Alice will ask each friend's digit, and she will offer the T-shirt to only those who understood the digits correctly. Okay, so given n number of friends and digit array D, denoting the digit understand by each friend F, finds out how many of Alice's friends have not enacted well or did not understand the enactment by the previous friend correctly. So I hope you guys understood the question here. So basically, this problem requires designing software that comes. One second. Yeah, so basically in this game it is a game of verbal, which is Coco verbal. So Alice is a mediator and the rest of the friends numbered from 1 to n are seated in a line. So Alice starts the game by giving a paper with a single digit number to the friend F1, F2 to till Fn, so representing the friends seated respectively. So each friend in the line then enacts the number they received to the next friend without speaking. Okay, for example, F1 enacts to F2, F2 enacts to F3, and so on. So until the last friend understand the digit, once the last friend understand the digit, they will write it on a separate paper and give it to the Alice. Alice compares the digit written by a last friend with the original digits she provided. If the digit matches, Alice gives a T-shirt to each friend. However, if the digit does not match, Alice asks each friend for the digit they received and offers T-shirt only to those who understand the digit correctly. Here, the task is we have to determine how many of Alice's friends have not enacted well or did not understand the enhancement by the previous friend correctly. So based on the number of friends, which is n, and the array here D, okay, which denotes the digit understood by each friend, which is F. So we'll see example. Yeah, so they have given example one. Three is a number of friends, and four, which is already denoting the digit understanding by n. So the output is 0. So all of them understood the digits correctly. Okay. One.